One of the reasons why I initiated this study and why I contacted Shannon, who was one of my students in my animal behavior class last semester, my top student, was because I think it's extremely important not only to publish my research as a scientist, it's crucial to my career and to the advancement of science, but also because I think at AUP it's extremely important to integrate undergraduates into that experience. And so together we have outlined a project that we intend to publish in a scholarly journal that's been peer-reviewed. So we have very high ambitions for that, which has meant it's been a very big project with a lot of work, but I think it'll be very much worth it.
Well, doing a directed study is really different from the classroom because it's more individualized and you communicate a lot more, I guess, about the ideas and what needs to be done and what's expected. It's a lot more feedback, self-improvement than a regular classroom.
Putting power within the hands of the students to shape what they want to learn and what direction they want to go is important. So I really like that this can be also directed by you.
Yeah.
You can help me figure out, like obviously I might have more experience in running these sorts of projects, but you can help guide the project in a way that I really like.
I remember in the beginning we had a general idea, but then we had to narrow it down and just figure out ways to make it plausible in the study itself.
Yeah, that was exhausting actually. It took me 2 weeks of pretty much full-time work just to figure out how to pull this off in a semester.
Trying to decide how to, I guess, raise the beetles themselves.
Yeah, well, and how many generations, and you know, within a semester, right? So, okay, we have to be done by mid-December.
Yeah.
And that's difficult when you're doing a study on a live organism that has its own sort of lifestyle and behaviors. You need to think ahead a lot.
My takeaway from the experiment is that I actually really like research. I'm open to any direction, either continuing with the beetles or starting with a new species, or even, I guess, psychology for humans. I just kind of find it really, I guess, exciting and interesting to study where everything kind of leads to.
Yeah. Well, if you're interested, I'm sure we can find ways to.